Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find which expression simplifies to x squared. To find that out, I need to simplify each expression individually and see if it equals to x squared. To simplify the first expression, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, a minus b in parentheses squared, equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The first binomial square, x minus 1 in parentheses squared, can be expanded by using the formula, and the variable x corresponds to the a in the formula. The number 1 corresponds to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to x squared minus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared. Next, I need to open parentheses and multiply negative 2 with x and then with negative 1. When I do that, I get minus 2x plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to rewrite, and I need to see if this equals to x squared. When I simplify further, I get x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 2 plus 2 is 4, and then I need to see if this equals to x squared. Next step, I need to add like terms. Like terms are minus 2x, and then plus 1 and plus 4. When I do that, I get x squared minus 4x plus 5. And I can see that this expression does not equal to x squared. Therefore, I can say that it does not simplify to x squared. Next, I'm going to simplify the second expression and see if it equals to x squared. Again, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, to expand the first binomial x plus 2 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, I get x squared plus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 squared. Next, I need to open parentheses and multiply 4 by 1 and then by negative x. When I do that, I get plus 4 minus 4x. And then I need to simply rewrite minus 8. And this whole expression, I'm going to see if it equals to x squared. When I simplify further, this equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4 minus 4x minus 8. Again, I need to see if it equals to x squared. Next, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 4x and negative 4x, and then the numbers 4, 4, and negative 8. When I add these like terms, 4x and negative 4x are the same term with opposite signs. Therefore, their sum equals to 0, or both terms cancel out. Then I have 4 plus 4 minus 8, which sum also gives 0, so all these terms also cancel out. Therefore, I get that x squared does equal to x squared. Or, the second expression simplifies to x squares. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.